Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see what are your spiritual gifts. So there are three piles over here, as you can see. The first one is this glasses, second one is this videography, last but not the least travel, or this is like a plane. You can select any one of them after meditation. Thank you so much. Hi, welcome back. Pile number one, whoever has chosen this glasses. With this glasses, I can see that you are spiritually gifted. You know, sometimes you get some visions and all that. You might be very spiritual. That's what I can see over here. And you can see the future. You are very, very spiritual, pile number one. And sometimes, through dreams, you can see a lot of visions. I guess you like to wear specs, or you like to wear shades a lot. Any which ways, let's go ahead with your reading. Let's see what are your spiritual gifts. Bottom of the deck is Justice, as you can see over here. Your cards are Two of Swords, Knight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Strength, High Priest, Wheel of Fortune. So your sun sign could be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus. Taurus is heavy over here, and fixed modality signs are there, and Leo is also heavy over here, and rest of the signs are, all the sun signs are over here, guys. Okay, so what are your spiritual gifts? The first is Two of Swords. Somehow you help a lot of people, I can see over here. If somebody is in confusion, means one of your friend or anybody, you always, you are always there for that person. Why? Because Two of Swords, this is a card of confusion, this is a card of indecision. So you are there for people, you help them out. If somebody needs help, you always balance them. If somebody is rigid with you, you always try to compromise. That's what I can see over here. So the first is that you are very kind person, I can see over here. First spiritual gift you got is exhortation. Exhortation means it is like communicating empathetically to someone about something. So you always, you're a very compassionate person. You always help other people and give them a solution to whatever they are going through. Next is Strength, which is the clarifying card to this card, Two of Swords, Strength. So you give strength to a lot of people. You are like a doctor, you are like a medicine to other people. I can see that you are a healer. A lot of people are healer over here. You give strength to people. If somebody is going through problems, you always support them, you give courage to them. You help a lot of blind people, something like that. You help small children, that I can see. You are a very patient person. Okay, you softly control people, and then you have a kind of positive aura towards you. You have inner power. Eight is like somebody who is like a doctor, who is like a healer, somebody who is a Reiki artist, or some kind of healing you are giving. You can be an astrologer, you can be in astronomy, you can be in tarot, all these things. You have healing properties in you, I guess. So you help a lot of people. With the Knight of Cups, I can see you are a giving person. You always give a helping hand to other person. You can see this person is offering a cup to somebody else. So you are a giving person. You have a leadership quality also, I can see, with the Hierophant card. This is your spiritual gift which Almighty has given you, that you have leadership quality. You give a helping hand to others. You can be a marriage counselor, you can be a divorce counselor, you can be spiritual counselor. You are doing this thing as an extra thing. You can be in a government job as well, and you are doing this healing work just to provide support to a lot of people. You are a very traditional person. You are here for a, major purpose on this earth. You are like a teacher to a lot of people. This can be your life purpose as well. In the 5D, in the 3D, you always offer a cup to other people. That is a gift that, you work with water as well. You know witchcraft also. You can be like a magician. You do magics as well, so spells and all that. So you can be a spell worker, so you give lot of, help to other people. That is your purpose over here. That is your spiritual gift. Next is 8 of Pentacle and Wheel of Fortune. You are very hardworking. You work on your craft a lot. You are very efficient person, very hardworking person. You earn a good amount of money from this or whatever you are doing. If you don't know these are your spiritual gift, you can start this. Okay, you can go for a course for Reiki or anything which is related to healing. Any which ways, I can see over here with the 8 of Pentacle and Wheel of Fortune, you have mercy towards other people. Okay, if somebody is suffering, you will be there always helping them. If something happens to anyone, you just go and help them, no matter what. You don't think about, what will happen next, what will be the future if I help that person. You are not like that. Okay, you always go and help other people. You have mercy towards mankind. Some of you can be a prophet over here, or you wanted to work for the church, or you wanted to work as a nun or something like that. A lot of people, you are here to do service to other people, service to animals, because there are a lot of animals over here, so that they can come out of this karmic cycle. You can be a marriage counselor as well. Your main spiritual gift is teaching. Okay, teaching other people how to be compassionate, how to be heal other people, how to come out of a past relationship, how to come out of a drinking problem. If somebody is having a drinking problem, how to come out of it. You're working with children. That is coming over here. With the Justice, I can see over here that you give justice to a lot of people. You can be working as a lawyer as well. That's possible. Or you can be studying law. You are from a law field. You give fairness to everyone. Even if you are going through a lot of problems, any kind of legal issues, still you are doing all these things. Okay, if somebody is going through a legal matter, you are always there to help them. That's what I can see over here. These are your spiritual gifts. Okay guys, now let's check out your oracle cards. Friendship, meditation, guidance. See your cards. Your cards are so positive. See, friendship. You're here to heal people. You're here to give friendship to others. You are like a friend to a lot of children, friend to a lot of people. A person who can show a path to other people. Okay, if they are, they are not in a right path, if they are drug addicts, if they are, drunkards, if they are, going through a difficult time. It is possible that you are working with, children who are mentally challenged. You are like a friend to them. You are healing a lot of people. Second one is that meditation. So you can be a meditation artist. You are like creating some kind of meditation music for a lot of people. You are a musician, and on YouTube also, or on other platforms also, you can be, you're teaching meditation, something like that. That is your spiritual gift. Your spiritual gift is friendship and meditation. Guidance. You read a lot. You love to read. You love to gain knowledge. So you are like a guide to other people. You can be a guru to somebody. If your spiritual path has not started, this is your path. This is your, final destination. That's what I can see over here. So this was your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's just up to pile number 2. Hello, welcome back, pile number 2. Whoever has chosen this, videography thing, I guess you are a YouTuber over here on Instagram, or you could be a TikToker in the past, something like that. All these things I can see over here. So you love to make documentaries with animals, you love to make documentaries with people, you can be a travel artist, something like that, travel vlogger or something like that. Any which ways, you love to shoot, you know, you have been to Romania. That's possible that a lot of people go to Romania because it is famous for witches, witchcraft and all these things. So you shoot, you talk to people about that. You can be from Nepal as well, you went to Nepal, you made a documentary out of that, and you know, it is like you wanted to collect information about spirituality, something like that, or this could be your life path. Okay, let's start with your reading. Let's go ahead with your tarot. Bottom of the deck is Hermit, as you can see over here. Okay guys, so these are your cards. These are your sun signs. With the Magician, it can be any sun sign with 6 of Wands: Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, 7 of Cups, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Libra. And Libra is heavy over here, that I can see over here. Okay, yeah, with the Hermit, Virgo is also heavy over here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here, and rest of the sun sign I've already told you. Let's start with the Magician. I can see over here that you are a very good manifester. Okay, you know manifestation work, so you are very good at that. That is your spiritual gift, and you have lot of, you know, you have got all the tools on your table. You are working with nature as well, some of you, and some of you are working with astrology, astronomy, tarot, all these things. You are a very good manifester, so you can teach people, you know, about manifestation work, and you have infinite knowledge. You are very good with your words. You are a very good communicator. Okay, so this can be your life path. And most of the people are working with administration work, as I can see over here. So your spiritual journey is all about administering people, administer a lot of people who are in problems. Okay, that is your spiritual gift. 6 of Swords, you have been, you know, you gone through a lot with somebody, you have a child with that person. It's possible you are moving away from that, you are moving away to good time, you are leaving those bad times in your life, so you know the pain, so you can, you know, administer people who are going through this, who are going through hell. You can be a traveler, you travel a lot of places and give this spiritual knowledge to a lot of people. You keep on moving to different places. That is your spiritual gift, to impart your knowledge to a lot of, you know, people. A lot of people follow you, they know that you are gifted from childhood. Okay guys, so that is your spiritual gift, the first spiritual gift. Second spiritual gift, as I can see over here, a lot of people, you know, they follow you, they love what you say. If you communicate something on YouTube or any of the channels, any of the platform, social media, they just follow you. They will follow you if you're not doing it. If you're planning to do it, they will follow you. Why? Because you give faith to a lot of people. That's why they follow you, that's why they love you. That is your spiritual gift, that you put faith into other people's life. You are working with a lot of families who are not together, who don't understand the value of family, they don't stay together. I guess you got a lot of awards and recognitions for what you are doing right now. If you're not doing it, you will definitely get it in future. You are like a good news to a lot of people. You bring a lot of good news to other people. Your spiritual gift is healing other people, healing family members, healing old people, healing couples, healing children, healing dogs. That can be your work. Next is 7 of Cups and Judgment. A lot of people have judged you for your spiritual gifts, so don't bother them. You don't have to bother about these people. Seven of Cups is like you have a lot of opportunities. You have, you are like a very big dreamer. Your spiritual gift is to help others, not to judge others. Okay, you are not judgmental, so you help others. That is your spiritual gift. You have abundant knowledge. You can bring a lot of miracles to other people's life. If people are going through infidelity, you can, teach them what is commitment, what is family, what is life. Okay, you don't live in illusion. You are here to teach a lot of people. You are divinely guided. Your path and your purpose is divinely guided. Bottom of the deck is Hermit, so definitely you are right now going through a big awakening in your life. You know that this is your life path. You know a lot of magics as well. You are like a dreamer, so definitely you can manifest these things. You can be a spell worker, something like that. You are doing soul searching. You are reading a lot. You wanted to know, what are your gifts right now. You are staying alone. You don't mingle with people. You don't have any friends. You have been single for 6 years, 7 years, 10 years. 6 number is prominent over here, so you have been single for 6 years. So not a big deal, because you are finding your light right now. And you might be taking guidance from your friends also, that if you will choose this path, it will be good for you or not. Or you can be taking guidance from your guru. Okay, all these things, these are your spiritual gifts. Your spiritual gift include self-love, teaching self-love. That is what I can see over here. Now let's go ahead with your oracle cards. Let's see what are your spiritual gifts. The first is non-violence. I guess you are working on you are working with women's self. That is also possible, some of the people. And you are talking about domestic violence and all these things on YouTube, something like that. Freedom, you're talking about freedom. Okay, that's possible. Surrender. See, these are your gifts. You don't like violence. You might be talking about violence. You don't like violence. Yes, you have a violent past, or your parents were violent towards you. Okay, so you are against non-violence. So this is your spiritual gift. Talk about it. People will like it. Talk about your journey. People will love it. This includes your life path. Second is freedom. Somebody has, you might be dealing with a lot of narcissistic people in the past. Husband, wife, children, parents, something like that. So you love your freedom. So you will talk about it. This is your spiritual gift, that you love your freedom a lot and you teach other people to be free. Okay, you might be gone through a domestic violence as well, a lot of people. So you wanted to talk about non-violence and freedom as well. You wanted to teach these things. Surrender. You are teaching a lot of people to be like Mirabai. Mirabai was like, she was a devotee of Lord Krishna. She never said that I want Lord Krishna as my husband. I will just surrender and I will just love him like anything. So that is your path. You need to surrender a lot. You are in your spiritual journey. You have left these 3D people, I guess. You are staying alone. You are finding your soul path. You are reading a lot. You are surrendering to universe. You are surrendering to whatever Almighty is giving. You are not, holding on to things. You are not holding. This lady is holding on to this tree branch. You were in the past, you were like that. You were holding on to a lot of people who did not give you anything. You are surrendering, and your life purpose is also that you need to teach a lot of people how to surrender 3D world and connect with 5D world, dreams world. That's what I can see over here. These are your spiritual gifts. Okay guys, so this was your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please have a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's go up to pile number 3. Hello, welcome back. Pile number 3. Whoever has chosen this plane or travel, I guess your spiritual gift is that you will be traveling to a lot of places all over the world and you will impart knowledge about spirituality, something like that. And you can be a traveler also. Okay, let's go ahead with your tarot. Let's see what are your spiritual gifts. Why are you over here? And bottom of the deck is 5 of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is your sun sign. Heavy Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Aries, Leo, Sag is also heavy over here. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius is heavy over here. Aries is heavy over here. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio is also there. With the 5 of Pentacles, I can see that lot of people over here, whoever is watching this video, is going through a lot of poverty, lot of money issues because of the pandemic. Also, you are going through ill health. You might be having a lot of allergies on your body. You are going through a spiritual journey. You are very worried about your future, your present time. You are going through loss, or somebody has cheated on you as well. That's possible. So you have been hurt in the past. You are like a wounded warrior with the 9 of Wands. Any which ways your spiritual gifts. Let's talk about your spiritual gifts. Spiritual gifts is like 3 of Wands. Somebody has put you in third party situation. I can see over here 33 number you can see on your mobile. 11 also, you can see on your mobile. Likewise, I can see that you are, somebody has put you in third party situation. So definitely your work is to talk about this, all these third parties. You are heartbroken. Your purpose is to heal heartbroken people. Your purpose is to help divorcees. Your purpose is to help somebody who is going through a loss. Your spiritual gift is somebody who is going through a depression. Take him out of that depressive state of mind. You're here to do teamwork. You're here for partnership. You can, take somebody's help and you can start this. Okay? You can expand your business with this. Spiritual gift include travel. You can see that this person is traveling. This person is waiting and traveling to different places and, imparting that spiritual knowledge to other people so that they can be in harmony with their past. They can be in harmony with their, losses. Okay, so your first spiritual gift is hospitality. Hospitality means, serving others, serving for the mankind, helping other people. You can be from a hotel management industry, some of the people, okay, and you can do this as a side business, something like that. If you wanted to help others, you can do it in free also. Okay, you have a mission over here, as I can see over here with the 3 of Wands and 3 of Swords. Helping a lot of heartbroken people, that can be your purpose, that can be your mission. Your mission is to impart love to other people. Okay, you're here to, talk about love. Your spiritual gift is love. You have lot of love inside you, but people always put you in third party. Your friends also ditch. You're here to do partnership with your soulmate. You can do this spiritual work with your soulmate as well. Okay guys, Leo is heavy over here. Aries is also heavy over here. Okay guys, and with the 4 of Swords, I guess you are working with mental health people who are having depression problem, who are having bad health. Okay, you are here to help those people who are very depressed, who have lost all their hopes from their life. With the 9 of Wands and Emperor, you are an authoritative figure. You are very authoritative. You will sit on your throne in future. Your spiritual gift is that giving courage to a lot of people. You are a wounded warrior with 9 of Wands. You will be providing courage to other people. People are not able to make decisions. You are there to, you're there to help them in, you know, making their decisions in life, choosing a right path in their life. You are like a father figure to a lot of people in future. You will be like supporting a lot of people. That is what your life path is. With the Five of Pentacle, it is like you will be helping a lot of poor people who are sitting outside the church, or you know, who are homeless, something like that. You are like a healer to them, who are going through poverty, who are going through ill health. You are there to help them. If somebody is in a worry, you will help them. That is your spiritual path. That is your spiritual journey. If somebody is going through losses, they have financial problem, you are there to help them. You will travel whole world. You are going to travel whole world with somebody who can heal people, or you can heal people, something like that. Your spiritual path includes, you know, administration and catering. So providing food to a lot of people, traveling all over the world and providing food to other people. That is your purpose. Encouraging a lot of people who are going through this hell. You have infinite knowledge. Help a lot of people who don't have money, who are going through financial losses. That is your purpose. That these are your spiritual gifts which Almighty has given. You are very abundant, I guess. You have lot of money, so definitely you can give a small part of that to poor people. That is your soul purpose, spiritual gifts. Let's see what come out of this oracle cards. First one is humility. See, you have seen this humility, I guess. You have gone through a lot of humiliation with your partner, with your parents, with your children, something like that. Homeland. Guru, what did I say? See, you are like a guru to a lot of people. Pile number 3. Humility is like a lot of people have humiliated you, or you are here to help these people who have been discarded from their family, who don't have anyone to help them. You are here to help them. You are here to provide food, clothes, all these things to these people. Your purpose includes that. Next is homeland. You can be from India. A lot of people are from Asia, Asian countries. Homeland is like that. You are here to help a lot of people in your homeland, like these rickshaw drivers or any kind of drivers. You are here to help them. You are here to, you know, feed people. You are here to feed poor children. That is your purpose. That is your spiritual gift. You are very abundant person. You have already collected lot of money in your life. If not, you will definitely. You are like a guru. You will be like a teacher to a lot of people, imparting your beautiful wisdom and knowledge to a lot of people. That's what I can see over here. Like a guru to a lot of people. They want to hear you out, because whatever you are saying, that is, you know, people can connect with that. So these are the things I can see over here. In future, you will be becoming a guru, you know, working with poor children and poor people. Okay, this is what your spiritual gifts are. So this was your reading. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye.